Do you want to draw your pistol better? It starts with clearing your garment. We do content like this all the time on our YouTube channel. If you like this stuff, make sure you subscribe. When you're clearing your garment, make sure you're doing it with the right hand and you're getting a handful of that shirt. Pull it up out of the way and then get a good master grip on your pistol. Once you establish that master grip, make sure you clear the holster, muzzle down range, then your hands meet up and you present out. The reason we want to establish that good master grip in the holster is so when you're outside of the holster, you're not having to readjust that grip. Redeemed Legion has a Patreon channel. For more in-depth instruction, check that out. Remember, you're made in the image of God and He loves you.